Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TikTok ads smart performance for automated optimization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate TikTok ads smart performance, begin by logging into your TikTok ads manager account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the campaign tab located at the top of the interface. Click on the create button to start a new campaign. In the campaign objectives section, select traffic or conversions depending on your marketing goals. Next, ensure that you enable the Smart Performance feature for your campaign. You will find this option under the campaign settings. After enabling Smart Performance, proceed to set your budget. Decide whether you prefer a daily budget or a total budget for the campaign duration. Once the budget is established, move on to the ad group settings. In the ad group settings, choose your target audience based on relevant demographics. Set the placement to automatic to let TikTok optimize this for you. Adjust your bidding strategy if necessary, opting for either lowest cost or target cost. As you continue, upload the creative assets for your ad. Make sure to follow TikTok's ad specifications to ensure your ads are compliant. Fill out the required fields for the ad, including the ad name and call to action text. Once everything is in place, review all settings to ensure accuracy. Finally, click the Submit button to launch your campaign with Smart Performance activated. Monitor your campaign performance regularly to see how Smart Performance optimizes your results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.